I make hundreds of dollars every month using the exact methods I'm about to share in this video. I'll show you the easiest method to start making money within your first 20 days using AI tools, just like I and many others do. Let's talk about how you actually get paid online. Making money online is simple. You offer a skill to someone who needs it. If you have a great voice and good recording equipment, you can sell voiceover services. If you're good at video editing, you can edit videos for clients and get paid. In short, having a skill is key to making money online. But what if you don't have one? No worries. Here's the blueprint of how you can do it very easily. The best part? Most people don't even know about these side hustles and the powerful secrets we use. Let's talk about the first one. If you go to Fiverr and search for caption or subtitle in the search bar, you'll see tons of sellers offering captioning services. Many of them have hundreds, even thousands of reviews and are making serious money. For example, this seller has over 1,100 reviews, another has 1,500 plus, and a third has 1,400 plus. One of them offers services for $20, $40, and $50. Now, if we take $40 and multiply it by his total reviews, you'll be shocked. He's made over $46,000. Another seller has earned over $15,000, and the third one over $25,000. But here's the crazy part. These sellers are putting in a lot of effort to manually add captions, while we can do it effortlessly using the easiest free AI tool. Actually, it's a paid tool, but I've shared a method to use it for free. Watch the full video available on the channel. I've explained everything step by step. Start implementing the steps, and within days, you'll be on your way to making a handsome amount of money too. Let's talk about the second one. But first, watch this.
Let me tell you how I convert $20 into $1,000 in just 2 months. About 2 months ago, I realized that AI can now generate super realistic voiceovers. And why not if we sell these voiceovers?
He's an amazing freelancer and one of my friends. Nope, he's not lying. Let me show you the proof. If you go to Fiverr and search AI voices, you'll see many sellers already offering this service. The best part? It has very low competition. Some sellers have a good number of reviews, and one of them has created multiple gigs to increase visibility in search results. He has over 270 reviews and has made more than $10,000, all by using an AI tool. This has huge potential, and if you start today, you can easily take over the game. There you have it. This guy's thousands of dollars in earnings. Want to replicate his strategy? Leave a comment below, and I'll share the link with you. Now, let's learn how to do it. Start by purchasing any 11 Labs subscription. You can begin with the free plan, but it doesn't offer engaging voices. If you need the $22 creator plan for just $13, contact me using the details in the description. Next, go to the Chrome Web Store and add AIPRM for ChatGPT. Connect it to ChatGPT, and you'll get access to tons of prompts. Search Fiverr in the search bar, pick any prompt, enter your niche-related keywords, and hit enter. You'll now have everything you need to create a ranked Fiverr gig: titles, descriptions, thumbnail ideas, FAQs, and client requirements. Now go to Fiverr, sign up, set up your basic info, and start creating your gig. Copy the content from ChatGPT and upload it in the right sections. If you need a full tutorial on how to set up a ranked Fiverr profile and find clients, drop a comment. If we hit 50+ comments, I'll make it. Lastly, create multiple gigs to maximize your chances of appearing in search results. Stay consistent and be active daily, and you could start seeing results just like him. Let's talk about the third one. This is a form of YouTube automation with huge potential, and if you start learning it today, it can make you a lot of money. Go to Fiverr and search for AI history shorts. You'll find sellers offering these AI-generated history videos starting at $10. Browse through the gigs. Now here's the best part. If you learn this skill, you can make money in 2 ways. Sell these videos as a service on Fiverr, just like others are doing. Start your own AI history YouTube channel and monetize it. I suggest doing both together. Create a Fiverr gig, and while waiting for orders, start uploading videos on your channel. This way, you can build a portfolio that showcases your skills and professionalism while also working towards YouTube monetization. The best part? You can start without spending a single penny and begin earning within days. I've already uploaded a step-by-step tutorial on how to create these professional AI-generated videos using 100% free tools. Now, let's talk about the fourth one. Go to Fiverr and search for photo background removal. Oh my God, almost every seller here has thousands of reviews, and they're making hundreds, even thousands of dollars per month, just by removing backgrounds from images. Most of them offer packages like 50, 100, or 300 images for background removal. But here's the game changer. Most sellers use Photoshop, a paid software that requires high-level skills to use. But this is the AI era, and you don't need Photoshop. Instead, I'll show you how to do it 100% free using AI tools. Go to this website, link in the description. No login required, and you can use it unlimited times. Click Upload, select your image, wait a few seconds, and boom, the background is gone perfectly. Hit Download, repeat the process, and start completing client orders effortlessly. To stand out from the competition, you can offer extra images in every package. For example, if someone is charging $20 for 50 images, you can offer 60 or 70 images for the same price. Or, you can lower the price slightly to attract more clients. I've included every tool's link in the description, so make sure to check them out. And that's it. These are the powerful AI side hustles that you can start today to make money online. No experience, no investment, just smart work using free AI tools. To get more work and boost your success, create accounts on multiple freelancing platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. The more places you're available, the more chances you'll have to land gigs. And if you want a part 2 with even more detailed strategies, drop a comment below. I'll make it happen. Oh, and remember when I said I'm actually making money with these methods? That's 100% true. The earnings I showed at the start are from my personal account, and that's just one of many. I'll reveal more in future videos. Now it's your turn. And before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more money-making strategies. See you in the next video.